In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ATM or debit card charges in QuickBooks Online. Managing expenses accurately is crucial for keeping your business finances on track. And QuickBooks Online makes it easy to record transactions like debit card charges or ATM withdrawals. Whether you're logging a quick purchase or tracking cash taken out for business use, knowing how to do this properly can help you stay organized and ensure your records are precise. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can find a registration link in the description below to get started. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, from your QuickBooks Online dashboard, click the New button located at the top left corner of the screen. This opens the Create menu where you can access different transaction types. From the list of options, select Expense. This is where you'll input the details of the charge or withdrawal. Now, let's fill out the expense details. Begin by choosing a payee if applicable. For example, this could be the name of the business or individual where the charge occurred. If the transaction was an ATM withdrawal, you can leave this field blank. Next, select the payment account associated with the bank account linked to the debit card you used for the charge. Be precise here to ensure the expense is tied to the correct account. Set the date to match the day the charge or withdrawal occurred. This helps keep your records accurate and aligned with your bank statement. If the payment method field is available, choose debit card or ATM depending on the type of transaction. Adding a memo is optional, but it can be helpful to provide a description of the charge for future reference. You can also attach a photo or PDF of the receipt if you have one to keep your records complete and easily accessible. Next, scroll down to the Category Details section here. You'll assign the expense to the appropriate account category that describes the purchase. For instance, you might choose categories like office supplies, meals, or fuel. If this transaction is for an ATM cash withdrawal, you'll categorize the cash based on how it was used. To clarify, you can use the memo field to note that this was an ATM withdrawal. After that, enter the total amount you spent. If the bank charged an additional fee for the ATM withdrawal or as part of the debit card transaction, you'll want to account for that too. To do this, add a second line in the Category Details section to split the expense. On the first line, enter the purchase amount, and on the second line, record the ATM fee or bank service charges. This ensures both amounts are accurately documented. Once you've double-checked all the details and ensured everything is correct, click Save and Close. This will save the transaction to your QuickBooks Online account. Finally, you can always review the recorded expense later. Simply head over to the expenses list or check the register for the bank account you used. This is a great way to confirm that everything has been entered correctly and to make adjustments if needed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.